Hi there, this is Fixed It with another money saving tip. Our water conditions in the area have got a lot of lime in them, so very quickly the shower head begins to look like this. As we all know, this blocks up the shower head and makes for a pretty miserable shower, but there's a really simple solution to this with just a jug and vinegar. After leaving this overnight, I can just take it out of the solution. Okay, just put a cloth on the end, run the rest away and give it a bit of a rub. And as you can see, the head's absolutely spotless clear. So just vinegar, a jug and an incredibly well cleaned shower head. If you do this every month or every couple of months, it should be enough to keep the head lovely and clean and working efficiently. And with regards to the vinegar, you can use that to clean the rest of the shower, or you can put it back in a bottle and mark it as shower head cleaning vinegar, and then just bring it out as and when you need it. So that's been Fixed It, showing you how to clean your shower head using vinegar. I hope you like the video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might find it useful. Thanks for watching. Bye.